Now, Tavarish, is one thing I need you to understand. Everything is scam. You're either scammer or scammed. But everything is scam. Capitalism is scam. Communism is scam. Money even is scam. It's not actually backed by anything except promise that government continue on forever. But government not continue on forever. I helped participate in full of my government, Sovietsky Soyuz. But scammer always lives on. Is why I teach you the principles of scam artistry. Principle number 1. Always act as if you are the one being scammed. Is technically gaslighting, but then again, so is meritocracy.
Okay, we're here. We're here to meet Michaela Hawk. My uncle told us it's best to start with her when we're learning how to start from the bottom and go toward the American dream. So something we do is listen to hip-hop in the cars on the weekdays, and we've heard that bitches go hard on the slopes. So it's time to get our first bitch.
Oh,
Hi, Miss Hawk.
Greta, okay, all right, look at you.
Ready to learn.
Okay, well, you might think you're starting from the bottom here, okay? But you're only gonna come up from here. You got it? You get what I mean? You get what I mean? You ready to come up?
So ready. Yeah, we're ready.
Good, yeah. Just gotta be a little patient, a little cracky. Sometimes takes their time to find their way in here, you know what I mean?
Hi.
Oh, she is. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, what a
Your friend of yours?
little firecracker.
Hi, what's your friend? So pretty.
Yeah, it's Greta. You know what? Why don't you tell her what you came here for?
I would like to buy one crack, please.
We'd like a crack. We'd love a crack.
I have a lot of crack in my pussy.
That kind of crack? How much is that gonna run us?
How much money do you have?
What kind is this?
That would work. But you'll have to suck my dick too.
Not me, right?
No, I totally got this. You guys sit tight.
Should I leave or?
Wait and see.
I thought you'd never ask. Okay. My back's kind of killing me today. You mind sucking me off?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it. That's it. Okay. Oh, That's it. That's good. What about the taste?
You know, call me some very good snack.
Is it?
Did you guys miss me?
Yeah, I missed you. Where'd you go? I didn't see
They're
you.
just in the back seat.
Oh, that was you.
The crack. Look at that. White
I've
gold.
had it in my pussy for a long time now. It's very moist.
Extra valuable.
Oh,
Yeah, we're probably gonna want to actually dry that out before you try to smoke it. She's playing at you.
okay.
All right. Yeah, we're Cracky. Yeah, we're gonna head out.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but make sure she calls me, okay? Please call me. Call me. Make sure she calls me.
Okay.
Go and make sure she calls me.